Alright, so welcome back again dito sa tutorial natin sa reseller account mo. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your payments para makareceive ka naman ng mga payments sa ano mo. So basically, if you go to cosmic.clubstore.com, you need to log in there. Okay? Kailangan mo mag-log in ng account mo doon because doon mo isi-set up yung payment options mo. Right? Hindi mo isi-set up dito sa reseller admin because that's how it is, no? Yan yung na-program muna namin. So, hindi mo isi-set up dito sa reseller admin, doon mo siya isi-set up sa iyong Cosmic Club Store account. So, if you notice here in your Cosmic Club Store account, lalagin muna natin, no? Copy muna natin to and let's go to our browser here. Okay, paste natin. So, you need to log in it here. So, let's log in muna. Ito yung reseller account mo and you need to log into your Cosmic Club Store account. Okay? So, ilagin ko muna to. Okay? Right? Oops, invalid email. So, you just need to repeat it lang. Right? So, nakalagin na ako ngayon dito sa aking Cosmic Club Store account. And then, you need to go to your you need to go to your dashboard or your admin account and go to the payment section. So, dito mo lang siya isi-set up. Basically, meron na akong guide on how to set up this payment option dito sa guide section ng Cosmic Club Store account mo. So, here sa guide number 4, adding payment option. So, since meron na yan, for the reseller purposes sake lang, i-repeat ko lang siya. So, you just need to go here, payment, and then add ka ng image. Like, for example, you want to have a GCash. So, hanap tayo dito ng GCash. Meron na ata ako ditong image ng GCash eh. So, upload lang natin ng image. Like, for example, we go here. Ayan, may GCash na ako. Nag-download ako sa Google. And then, shall we say, this is GCash. Yung account name mo, shall we say, yung reseller account mo, sabihin natin sabihin na lang natin ako. And then, pero pangalan mo ilalagay dito ha, yung account number mo rin yung ilalagay mo dito. Alright, so account details, send, sabihin natin send screenshot of your payment, okay, of your payment by clicking the button below. Okay? Pwede ganyan kasi lalabas yung payment link dito or chat link dito. So, for example, like me, I want the client ko pupunta doon sa aking fan page para doon sila magsisend ng screenshot ng payment nila. Okay, so you can add the payment and then there you have it. You have now a GCash payment na dito. Okay? So, pwede ka nang mag-log out dito sa iyong Cosmic Club Store account and you go back here dito sa reseller account mo. I know na punta ka na dito, balik na tayo dito, 'di ba? So for example, si client is we can log out muna itong ni client. So wala pa siyang payment option but basically we can log out muna here and then we can log in him again, 'di ba? Juan Dilos Reyes@gmail.com. So, let's log in back yung account ni Juan De Los Reyes na account. Okay? So, login natin. And then, if he will now going to decide again to upgrade, so pwede niyang puntahan yung admin account niya. And then, mag-upgrade na kunwari siya. And then, avail paid account. There you have it. Meron ng GCash payment. So, i-click lang niya to. And then, submit payment. And there you have it. Diba kanina? Ito yung nilagay ko na details sa GCash account ko. So, kapag i-click niya ito, kapag nabayaran na niya, and then send as message na siya, send as a message, kapag i-click niya yon na ito, kung ano yung nilagay mo na chat link, so balik muna tayo doon sa Cosmic. Kasi, di ba, kanina naglagay ako ng payment chat link, di ba? Kung i-edit natin to, nagaya ako ng payment chat link dito. So, ano yung nilagay mo na link dito, doon yan mapupunta kapag i-click na ng client itong send as a message. Ayan, pumunta siya doon sa aking fan page. Alright? So, once na, dito na, nabayaran na niya, na-receive na niya muna yung payment ng client mo, yung 3,990 na yan, na-receive mo na. Then, you go back here to your reseller admin account, under the stores, and ask him or her his email address, no? So for this example, Juan de la Cruz. So since nandiyan na yan, so what are you going to do after na na-receive mo na yung payment? Pumasok na sa GCash account nyo, for example, kung GCash or any payment option. So ang gawin mo, i-click mo lang itong website status. Okay, so i-okay mo lang. And then package A, because since yung in-avail ng customer mo is yung package A, yung basic account mo, 'di ba? Ang setting natin dito is yung POS para sa lahat basic, 'di ba? So yan yung basically in-avail din ng customer kapag i-change payment natin dito. Yan, andito yan, POS para sa lahat basic. So basically, kung ano yung ipapangalan mo, yan yung lalabas dito. Okay, so ano na tayo? Let's go back here sa reseller account. Again, number 1, i-website status mo, i-okay mo to. Alright, okay na yan. Para maging activated na yung account niya, yung website niya. Then, kung naka-activate na to, so wag mo nang galawin yan. Then, package A tayo. So, i-activate mo na yung package A. And then, kung may makikita ka ditong billing and then package A, i-check mo yan. Kung wala pa, ibig sabihin nun, hindi pa nag-purchase or naglagay ng payment or, di ba yung ginawa natin dito? Kumbaga, yung customer mo o yung client mo, andito lang siya, hindi siya nag-click nung avail paid account. Or hindi siya pumili nung payment na GCash muna or any payment, hanggang dito lang siya. No, kapag pumili na siya ng account at nag-submit payment na siya, lalabas yung package A dito sa billing. Okay? So, click natin yan and then submit. Okay, there you have it. And then, para hindi na mahirapan yung client mo o yung customer mo para mag-verify pa ng email address niya, pwede mong i-bypass. Pero kapag na-verify na niya mismo yung email address niya, di ba sa homepage nandito yung verify your email address ng client mo. Pero kapag na-verify na niya yan, hindi na niya kailangan hindi na lalabas to. So, magiging activated na automatically yung account niya. So, for this scenario, hindi pa na-activate yung email address niya. So, you can just click that one and then yes. And then there you have it. Email verification successfully bypassed. Then, you can now chat your client na okay na ma'am or sir, your website is activated. And if itong si Juan de la Cruz, i-refresh niya itong account niya, basically, ayan. So, upgraded na yung account niya. Paano malalaman kapag upgraded na? Let's try to check here sa upgrades. Ayan. Sorry. Let's log out na lang muna. Sabihan mo na lang yung client mo na he or she needs to log out muna para makita niya yung changes sa kanyang website. Okay? Na-upgraded na. So, there you have it. Wala na yung upgrade here. And if we go to here sa upgrade ng client mo, ayan. So, hinihingi na yung pang-upgrade to a dedicated account or hindi na yung basic na account, yung next na. Okay? Yung kung dito sa setting mo, pang package B na yung hinihingi sa admin, sa upgrade niya. Ibig sabihin nun, upgraded na yung account niya. And malalaman din yan kapag nag-upload yung client mo, for example, lang product, and he or she will going to upload more than 50, marami na yung pwede niyang ma-upload, ibig sabihin upgraded na yung account niya. Okay? So, that's it for this tutorial, and mamomonitor mo na dito yung clients mo. Ayan, so naka-upgrade na. So, ibig sabihin nito, package A, kapag na-activate na yung button, upgraded na siya. Okay? So, on the next video, pag-uusapan naman natin what if or what are the things that you need to set up aside from this in the settings. Diba, meron tayong basic, payment, and training. So, what are these things and paano yan isi-set up? Yan yung malalaman mo on our next video. So, proceed ka na ngayon sa next video.